Okay, now we'll do exercise 8-6. And I'm gonna overall in general talk about this chapter. This chapter deals with again in the balance sheet, in the property, plant, and equipment, right? So what happens is whenever we in a company, whenever a company buys equipment, plant, property, they spend huge money. That huge money is good for long term. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Building, for example. And then you see this number net. So net is basically idea of accumulated depreciation. Just like in the chapter number 7, when we were doing accounts receivable, do you remember we were doing less allowances because we think that some of the accounts receivable will not be getting paid, and we call that bad debt expense, because that's the expense we incur to make sales on credit, right? So we make money, but then there's an expense, bad debt expense. Again, in order to sell, we need for the earning process, we need to also be using property, plant, and equipment, right? For selling, for production, to earn money, to earn profit. So when we use them, we expense something, and it's called a depreciation expense. It's the usage of this machinery and equipment, that we are trying to expense in depreciation expense. And the net means we are trying to determine what has been used this year, right? So depreciation expense is going to be part of our earning process. Okay, that's what we are learning in this chapter. So let's do chapter exercise 8-6 now.